According to the 2002 National Electrical Code, specifically Article 410.4d, there are regulations concerning the installation of electrical components, including lighting fixtures, near bathtubs. This section of the code addresses the horizontal zone above the bathtub rim and dictates what types of electrical devices can and cannot be installed within that space. Article 410.4d states that no parts of incandescent lamp holders, fixtures, recessed fixtures, transformers, and other electrical devices shall be installed within the 5-foot, or 1.52 meter horizontal zone over the top of the tub rim. This rule is in place to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards in areas where water is present. The primary concern is reducing the risk of electric shock, which can be significantly increased in wet environments like bathrooms. This regulation applies specifically to the horizontal zone directly above the tub. The measurement is taken from the top edge of the tub rim extending outwards in all horizontal directions for a distance of 5 feet. Within this zone, certain types of electrical installations are prohibited. Incandescent lamp holders are not allowed in this zone because they can pose a risk of shattering and exposing live electrical components to water. Fixtures, which encompass the entire assembly of a lighting unit, are also restricted to prevent any electrical contact with water. Recessed fixtures, often used in ceilings, are included in this restriction unless they meet specific requirements. Transformers, which step down voltage for various electrical devices, are also prohibited within this zone to avoid potential electrical hazards. The term other electrical devices is intentionally broad to cover any electrical components that could potentially pose a risk when installed near water. This includes items like receptacles, switches, and junction boxes. The National Electrical Code aims to provide clear guidelines for safe electrical installations. To ensure compliance with the code, several solutions can be considered. Firstly, use a wet location fixture. These fixtures are specifically designed and tested to withstand exposure to moisture and water. They are constructed with materials and seals that prevent water from entering the electrical components, reducing the risk of corrosion and electrical shock. Wet location fixtures are typically required in areas where they may be directly exposed to water, such as showers and areas directly above bathtubs. Secondly, if a dry location fixture is used, it must be recessed and the opening where the fixture is mounted must be at least 6 inches above the tub rim. A dry location fixture is designed for use in areas where it will not be exposed to moisture. These fixtures do not have the same level of protection against water and grass as wet location fixtures. If a dry location fixture is installed above a bathtub, it must be recessed into the ceiling to provide an additional layer of protection. The opening where the fixture is mounted should be at least 6 inches above the tub rim to further reduce the risk of water splashing onto the fixture. The most straightforward and reliable solution is to mount the fixture outside the 5-foot or 1.52 meter zone. By positioning the fixture beyond this horizontal limit, the risk of water exposure and electrical hazards is minimized. This approach ensures compliance with the National Electrical Code and provides a safe lighting solution for the bathroom. When installing electrical fixtures in bathrooms, it is crucial to consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and any local electrical codes that may apply. Local codes may have additional requirements or restrictions that must be followed. It is also recommended to hire a qualified electrician who is familiar with electrical codes and safety practices. A professional electrician can ensure that the installation is done correctly and safely, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards.